Stop paying $20 a month for Figma dev mode. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this Figma design into a code completely for free in a couple minutes using web version of Claude. So the first step is have our website in Figma. As you can see, I'm on free version and I made really simple website. Of course, it's not perfect. I made it in a couple minutes, but it's enough for our case. Most important thing is I made it on auto layout, so it's easier for AI to understand how the layout should be coded. Because as you can see, everywhere we have informations about the paddings, what we use. Because without that, AI could make more mistakes. So I prefer using auto layout almost everywhere. And when we have website like that, we can go to the Claude. We are using the online version of Claude because it's easier to communicate with Figma with web version. You don't need to download any extra apps like Cursor, Visual Studio Code or other. And all you need to do is go to the settings, go to connectors tab. Here we need to find Figma and connect our Figma to Claude. As you can see, we need to agree. And right now, our Claude can easily communicate with Figma. I'm gonna copy my prompt. I add this prompt in pinned comment, so you can easily copy this prompt also. Paste here. As you can see, we have place for our link from Figma, so let's go there. Copy link to selection. Paste this here. I'm using this model. It's the best for free plan. And right now, all we have to do is wait. After a few minutes, the Claude created our website. We can download it. And as you can see, we have our website coded. It looks exactly the same like in Figma, but we are able to add the links. And also our website is responsive. We have navbar and everything for free. If that was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.